Good day, BCM TV viewers. Long time. Welcome to be busy, man. Hey guys, izolo. Africa ka-7. They went khona omnye bro walapha umeza wam walapha ko-60. They went and assist eGqobas. They went and assisted Qobas. Kulando ithi mabahambe. I'm just telling you news and I'm just giving you heads up. I think this week, I'm not sure how they're gonna do it Mdantsane, but they're coming Mdantsane. And when we posted the video, I said Qobas and people they bathi akwabe siyazile ndibaxelele ke nabo ba abantu bayafuna ukwazi uba xa izokwenzeka ezi activities, understand, so that we can tell them. Otherwise, I know a couple of friends from Zim, couple of friends from Kwezindawo bayisuka kuzo, and le nto yenziwe Eastern Cape, le nto yenziwa, I think Gcuwa is getting ingathi nabo bane-action abayithathayo kule veki. So Eastern Cape just on its own, he didn't need land assistant from KZN. Now the momentum is going. So abantu base Eastern Cape, they are taking into their Landiga lento into their own of ukhupha abantu aba-illegal. And now Qobas knowing, and I was so worried izolo, knowing Qobas is full of people from especially the illegal immigrants, and I was so worried. And today ndifonela ndiqobofonelwa ke ngoku-Africa ngixelela uba ano ilady le benilibona kulaa video yase-BCM TV selifumane ii-threats ngoku, uba yeza foreigners, since they are i-majority kwelaa cala, illegal immigrants ziyi-majority eQobas. So ii-threats sezikhona uba ikhona into abanoyenza kwelaa lady. So we need to protect each other. We need abantu baseQobas to be enompumelelo. Kodwa iQobas kuthiwa inompumelelo. We need to help each other, make sure abantu bakuthi that are starting as they are protected. Usisi lowa, I'm saying kuye, be strong dasekhaya. When you took this journey, you knew for a fact oba you won't be understand awuzoba exempted to violence yabantu abokufika that abafuna ukunoyikisa, understand. So be strong, and as long as nisenza into yenu niyenza within umthetho and niyenza without udlame, I think it's fair. Because I mean, you've got a place that is 90%, abanye abantu bathi 80%, abanye abantu bathi 70% owned or ihlala i-foreign national, and majority of those foreign nationals that are there enompumelelo undocumented, and they are illegal without any papers, and yet businesses alapha elandikeni East London or kuGompo, they are hiring them, and there's nothing wrong. I think there's nothing wrong when South Africans are fighting for a country. I think Zimbabweans and Malawians and Mozambicans, they need to go and fight for amazwe abo bangabaleki, because bayafunwa pha. There was ikhwelo ebelibizwa eZimbabwe uba abantu baseZimbabwe bayafuneka. They are needed elizweni labo ukulwela mangabe ngamagwala, babe bold apha ekuhlaleni, understand. Mabahambe bayolwela ii-rights zabo, so that if ke laa nto bebeyithetha nathi sikwazi uba ukuya kwilizwe eli-free elinazo ii-human rights, so they cannot oba bazokhalazela human rights bezibaleke kwela cala labo. Yeah, understand that we need Africa free of human rights. When everyone is elungisile country yabo, then we can talk batsho abantu, we can talk about a free Africa apho khona people will be free. Nathi xa sifika khona we won't be terrorized xa sifika eZimbabwe, I understand, xa sifika eMalawi naseMozambique. So the reason why you're fighting is because you're not free. Let el hlobo South Africans lwela ngalo ilizwe lalo nani nihambe niyolwa. So yeah, that's what osisi, that's what oJesinka ophathela umthakathi bathi balwela khona, ongizwe Mchulu nabanye yeka nje aba bethu ke balapha BCM bayenza ijoke into ezilolu hlobo zokulwa. We know, and we know the plight of abantu bethu. We know why they are fighting. We know abantu base-Eastern Cape. We are BCM TV. We're not ashamed of saying we're siding with the community as a BCM. We're siding with the communities as Eastern Cape. If uziyakhala, then nathi siyakhala, you understand? So there's no shame in our stance of saying if abantu base-Eastern Cape bathi these illegal, undocumented foreigners are taking their jobs, they need to go back ezilantikeni zabo because baze ngakungekho semthethweni apha eSouth Africa and fight for rights zabo. Ezi rights bazilwela apha bazifumanayo apha eSouth Africa, i-South Africans they fight for zona, so they need oba nabo bahambe bayolwela i-rights zabo. And the new Eastern Cape, umphathi wamapolisa andiyazi uba ubizwa uba yintoni na, umphathi wamapolisa e-Eastern Cape omtsha, hayi kuthiwa uphezi kwezi ndawo besizikhalazela, uphezulu. They went, saw an article ku-Daily Dispatch esithi they went to California, they went to Vikings, they went to a couple of Davidos, they went to all ezi ndawo, they went to kule nto lantikeni kulaa ndawo leya ise-Southern Wood, just before ungena kwilanto N2. They went to kuzo zonke ezi ndawo bekhalazela ngazo about the-drug dealings. Thank you mphathi wamapolisa, thank you. And we need the pressure, we need to make sure, because the drug dealing in the Kugompo or East London, it was it was so bad, like ingathi sikwezinye indawo ingathi you are in a movie xa udlula khona, when you see people, when you see ababantu and dealing with the drugs. And fortunately, yes, last week, just updating you, last week I got a call from one of the person or owner business around in California, and about how clean it is, but yet we need to buy mhlambi amapolisa or communities ase-Buffalo City, they need to bajonge because our bantu in the morning baba kuba free pa kakhulu, but there's a lot of activities that are happening in the night. And batsho besithi ke ingxaki, you've got abantu that are driving imoto njengathi abasebeyiqelile to get i-fixes zabo. I-fix ke laa nto ikwenza ube right, yile nto ikwenza uba ube hooked kuyo, they ezaa nto zibalungisa the hookness kubo uba wabe right. So baqhela uzifumana pha around California, and when you drive around la California, you will see abantu mhlawumbi uhamba kancinci uthatha imoto le yakho uhambe kancinci pha, they will jump into you, bazocheck uba what do you want. So the drug dealing kwela cala, and it's not done by South African, it's done by foreign national, undocumented. So around Vikings bathi bamuvile, and uthi yena uyabazi ke sewazi because he was doing i-business kula area, uyabazi uthi they have moved from California ngenxa yoba it's a hot spot now, they have moved to Vikings. And apparently the new party wamapolisa Eastern Cape, I think uyifumene law information and they went and do, but I hate as they need to do random thing. They need to not to specify amaxesha. They need to surprise even amapolisa la, because same people abasixelelayo izinto ezibathi the collection of imali by amapolisa is still happening. So siyacela man kumphathi lona, siyacela community forums ezibezile phaya, siyacela kwi-march and march oba they need to note izinto ezoba apha kusasa singathi it's everything ku-clean, but in the evening izinto ziyatshintsha. To kubantu bokufika, we're not hating you. We want you to go and fix, have boldness, maybe bold, not bold ngalo apha. Can you be bold to countries nilungisa countries, so that when we visit Zimbabwe, when we visit Mozambique, we visitela ilandika i-state esilungiswe ngabantu bakhona, then so that you can be proud of uba citizens zakhona. Nathi we want to be proud, and but apha now i-space sethu, it's been occupied not by only Zimbabwean, by everyone in Africa. So South Africans, they are suffering, and we feel their pain, we know their pain, and when everything is done, then everyone will be welcomed according to mna indlela endicinga ngayo. Thank you. It's been a long time. Thank you guys.